Goldair smoke alarms commonly trigger false alarms due to steam, dust, or low batteries. To fix this, first identify the cause. Steam is a frequent culprit. Relocate the alarm at least 3 meters away from bathrooms and kitchens. Dust accumulation can also set off the alarm. Vacuum the sensor with a soft brush. If it's a battery issue, replace the battery. Or if you have a 10-year sealed lithium battery model, check for an end-of-life chirp indicating it's time for a replacement. Remember that firmware updates released in 2024 improved sensitivity and address nuisance alarms in humid environments. Resetting the alarm is a temporary solution. Holding the test reset button for 5 to 10 seconds silences it for a short period, but the underlying issue needs to be addressed for a permanent fix. To properly reset your Goldair smoke alarm, remove the battery for 30 seconds, then reinsert it and test the alarm. For models with sensors, hold the reset button while replacing the battery. Smart alarms may allow you to recalibrate sensitivity through a mobile app. Regular maintenance is crucial. Test your alarm monthly and replace it every 10 years. Clean the sensor regularly to prevent dust buildup. Relocating the alarm away from vents and potential steam sources can also prevent future false alarms. If the alarm is constantly chirping every 40 seconds, it is most likely the battery is flat and needs replacing. If problems persist, consult Goldair's support site, which now features an AI-driven troubleshooting chatbot, or consider professional installation, especially for hardwired models.